pusok indenggaman to'y umasasok agrayo ita sa diyam panunuteman di ka pagintutungan to'y agayat agrugnoy tayamam hating in the distance but your shadow never sleeps. I'm running through the silence where your voice still speaks. Every step is heavy but I follow where it leads, holding on to memories that cut me when they bleed. Searching through the echoes I still feel what I can see. Your name is like a whisper that's engraved inside of me. Trying to forget you but the past won't let me hide. You're the reason that I'm breaking and the reason I survive. Kalipatan tanasuri onay anagan tauray sa dintiayan diso sa dinoman no malagip ka pusok di mabangaran. Hold tight to the silence, every word that went untold. I'm stuck in a battle that refuses to let go. Long roads in the nighttime, I'm still chasing what I knew, fighting every moment just to find a way to you. Caught inside the memory where the truth begins to hide. Your name becomes a lifeline pulling deep from ocean tides. Even when you're distant, you're the fire in the cold. You're the reason that I'm burning and the one I can't control. I keep falling in the silence, still I'm reaching out to you. Every wound becomes a message, and it's calling, pulling through. All these shadows try to take me, but your memory breaks the night. Even here where hope is fragile, I still hold you through the fight. Every breath becomes a burden, every heartbeat whispers pain, but I follow through the darkness where your echo speaks my name. Break, break, bend, I won't fall again. Rise, rage, burn, this heart can't unlearn. You're the name I can't erase, you're the fire in my veins. Every scar still shouts your trace. I am breaking, cut these chains. Pull me back into the light, tear the darkness from my sight. Even lost I stand and fight, call your name with all my might. I won't fade, I won't fade. Through the storm, sentiria kalipatan tanasuri unay anagan tauray sa dintiayan diso sa dinoman no malagip ka pusok di mabangaran. Sentiria kalipatan tanasuri unay anagan tauray sa dintiayan diso sa dinoman no malagip ka pusok di mabangaran.